Okay.
I have made a drawing with a pen. This is from my. This is called a pen drawing. So
Okay.
I have done what he makes my wish
Okay.
as pen. So he
Okay.
made it. He got back and he was angry. So thank you for drawing.
Uh, now start. After this drawing, you can go ahead to your own drawing. Okay. This drawing you need to draw now. Okay. This drawing. Done. Make the shading. Make shading this drawing. Okay. Mm, make it oval. Make it oval like this. I show the shading over here. Yes. We are making this Dory. Okay, make the one line over here and Dory. This is one eyes. Very big. So I make this very big eyes of Dory. That big eyes. This very big eyes I do, and this is eyebrow. I make the eyebrow. See, this is the eyebrow one. Make eyebrow, and this is the fin. Actually, this is the fin. Dory is a girl. Girl. Dory is a girl, a cute girl, like you. And this Dory have a lot. This is the fin. You will make the fin like that. Yes, Dory thinking something. We are very big. Make the oval. Okay. We'll start we're just erasing this eyes line and nose line. We are making eyes line, nose line for a construction. Eyes line, nose line is construction line, so we are erasing that. And let's start the shading. First we are doing the shading like this. Inside the eyebrow, you can make the uh, margin setting. See, this is a margin setting. Yes. To make the margin setting, and this is also light, little light. This is also setting.
Sir, can you please be little slow?
Yes. I make it after that. Wait 2 minutes. Okay. Now. Do, 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 do. We are doing only pencil setting. Okay.
Dory is very cute.
So cute. Yes. So cute.
So small.
So small and so cute. Okay. Okay. Okay.
So wait.
Okay. Okay. Beta. I wait.
How do you do the
Circle. Just practice. Circle is need to practice. You need to practice circle. Done. Okay. Done. We are going to next step. Next step. Okay. Okay. What beta? What we need to show? Uh, what steps beta you need to know?
The fishes steps.
Okay, fine. I show.
So should I outline the steps with black marker?
I show the steps. Just 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. Can we do outline sketching?
Yeah. I can do this outline sketching too.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Yeah. Just a second. I show you how to create this is steps beta. See here I show the steps. First make it Anantha. Understood beta?
Understood, sir.
First make this oval, step 1, and step 2 here you make one eyes line and one nose line like this. Okay, and in this line, in middle of this line, you can create here one circle or oval in between this line, in the middle of this line, and here make another circle. Okay, and in this line, nose line, you make some mouth like this. Okay, done beta?
Thank you, sir.
And then you make it like this and this, and here you can draw the same to a eyeball, and here you do like this. Okay, and then after that erasing this outline, this is construction line. Understand?
Understand.
Okay, so I make the two Dory and Dory's friends. Okay, so let's start the shading. I put the shading over here. Okay, first need to set this line here. Here also to the pencil set, and this set called the rapid stroke. This is put the rapid strokes. Okay, this area I put the shading. See, this area I put the rapid stroke. Okay, you learn the shading now. Here also I put some shading. This is ball, no? This is ball. You can down the shading little bit of. Okay. See where I put shading. Here also little bit of shading. Make it the settings here also. Little settings like this. Okay, put the shading, pencil shading is very important. इसको भी थोड़ा सेटिंग्स करना बेटा, लाइट सेटिंग्स like this. Okay, so source of light come from this side, so this side is a light, this side is a dark. Okay, you should understand that where the source of light, the sunlight coming from this side, so that's why this side is a light. Okay, so now if you finish this drawing, then you can go ahead to any setting drawing. If you wish to go to any setting drawing, you can go ahead. This is nice. Ah, that's good. First is, yeah, you make the shading light, little light, no worry. See my pencils, how I stroke my pencil, slowly moving pencil. And here is the rapid stroke, here is the margin stroke, here is the rapid strokes. Okay, different stroke also I'm using over here, so this is very important. And here is the dark, it's a hole, so that's why we put the dark over here. Okay, like this. Yes, sir. Yeah, I see. Excuse me, beta. Tell me. Please show me, beta, if you completed. Done. Okay. Okay, this is fine. Make it little. Shading is little. You can march with your finger like this, little marching. Little march with the finger. So it looks more good. Now can draw your own drawing. You have a time, 5-10 minutes. 5. Okay, can. Yeah. You have a time 5 to 7 minutes, so you can make your own drawing.
Sir, my drawing. This is the last page of my drawing.
Oh, that's great. We make some pencil scenery over here. Try your best. I make some scenery inside the, here, inside the water. Lots of things is there. Stone, sail.
Sir, can I show you my drawing?
Please show it up.
So this is my drawing.
Yes, hi Rita ma'am. We shall wait 2 minutes or almost finish the class. More 2 3 minutes. Very nice, very nice, very nice. We are going to.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, ma'am. Just 2 minutes. Wait, we are going. Excuse me, beta. Tell me. Please show beta. Please. Oh, this spider or turtle?
Turtle, sir.
Wow.